Do you have curly hair that you just like cannot deal with? You just don't have the time sometimes to do your hair in the morning. You just want to wash your hair and just throw some product in it and brush it and go. If so, then keep on watching this video. This is a super easy hair tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another hair tutorial for you guys. I've been doing a lot of hair tutorials lately because I'm honestly to this day still learning to deal with my curly hair and how to do it. Honestly, when I was little, my mom did not know what the hell she was doing, okay? Like, she thinks she does still, but she doesn't. So I'm still learning how to do my hair, what products work for me. So if you guys want to join me on my hair journey and see other tutorials that I have, such as the chit chat videos and makeup videos and whatnot, then please be sure to subscribe. Also, be sure to give this video a thumbs up in the end if you like it. And also let me know what hair products work for your curly hair. I'm looking for a new shampoo and a new conditioner, so please help me. But anyways, for those of you who don't know who I am, my name is Nicole Marie, and with all that said, let's just jump right into the video and let's get started. Today I'm going to be using two products. I'm going to be using the Curl Enhancing Smoothie by Shea Moisture, which I'm absolutely loving right now and can't get enough of. And I'm also using the Jamaican black Castor oil, which I am still debating if I love. I love doing a deep, a hot oil treatment with this. But I'm trying to see if I actually like this product outside of doing a deep treatment with it, because it's really thick and I don't really like the smell, which I know is weird. And I don't know if it's actually really doing anything for my hair without heat. But anyways, I'm just going to apply these two products mainly to the ends. In the smoothie, I'm going to be applying around the edges of my hair, and then I'm going to be brushing my hair out with a brush. Okay, so I'm going to split it into two sections and brush it out. I washed my hair yesterday in the shower. I'm looking for a new shampoo and conditioner that really works for my hair. My hair is really dry and it gets really frizzy, so I'm just looking for something that doesn't make it as dry and frizzy, because the shampoo and conditioner I'm using right now, I feel like it makes my hair more dry. So I only usually wash my hair about once a week, but lately I've been washing a little more. I feel like it's getting more oily than the usual. I'm not sure what's going on. My hair is weird. So I'm just brushing both sides out. Also, you want to do this when your hair is damp, or not too wet, but just a little damp. And I just want to brush it out, get the product throughout my hair. Okay, so I haven't straightened my hair in a while, but as you can see, I still have like some heat damage. There's some parts that are just straight and they don't get curly anymore. As you can see, like underneath here is just like perfect curls mainly. But these get a little weird. So you can do this if you want like curls throughout your head and you have heat damage like I do. Just do some finger coils. If you're in a rush though, which I usually am, I usually don't have time for this. But I mean, this is optional. But like I said, if you're in a hurry, just skip this part. But it's actually pretty fast. You can probably even do this like when you're in the car or something. So I'm just gonna do some finger coils on the straight parts. I'm not sure what hairstyle I'm gonna do today. Usually when I'm in a hurry, I just put my hair in a bun, because I mean, I ain't got time to really do my hair. Sometimes I literally get dressed super fast. I don't even wear makeup. But this is if you're like maybe going to the store, going to the grocery store, going to do something chill. You don't feel like getting dressed and whatnot. So the product is evenly throughout my hair. You can apply more product if you feel you didn't put enough. I'm just gonna let my hair dry, and I always let my hair air dry, because I don't have time to blow dry my hair. I'm sorry. Shout out to those of you who do and diffuse and do all that extra stuff. But I honestly don't got time for that. Don't want to do that. So I'm just going to let my hair dry. Air dry, and then I'm going to style to my desire. But before we let it hair dry, we're going to lay down those baby hairs. Lay the house. Before I leave the house is put down, you know, some baby hairs, because I feel like my forehead looks really big without it, and I just feel weird. Like, I don't know. One thing I can't live without is mascara when I leave the house, and laying my baby hairs down. I swear. Like, I need those two things. Everything else I can live without. If you got more time than I do, or want to put more time into getting ready than I do, then shout out to you, girl. But honestly, I'm basic bitch usually every day, unless I go out, which is rare these days. So yeah, I'm gonna just do that, and then now I'm just gonna let my hair air dry, and then we're gonna style. So see you guys in about 5 hours, because that's how long it usually takes. But honestly, before I leave the house though, it'll still be a little wet. So usually I'll just clip it up with one of these. Do not put your hair in a ponytail when it's wet, because it will smell like mildew and it's disgusting. So don't do it. I used to like do that a lot, and my hair would smell like mildew sometimes, and it was just nasty. So do not put your hair in a ponytail when it's still wet. Honestly, just let it air dry. If you're really in a rush, do your hair like this, let it dry, and you're good. Bring a ponytail, put it in a bun later, whatever. Real simple. Literally less than like 5-10 minutes. So I'm gonna let my hair air dry, and I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. See you guys soon. So guys, this is the finishing look. My hair's actually looking way more healthier and less dry than what it's been. I like the combination of the two products that I used, and I did actually like a really good job today. So if you want to get more volume, you can separate your curls, use a pick. You can put your hair in a ponytail, a bun, whatever makes you happy. Yeah, my hair has been looking really healthy. I did a deep condition treatment. If you want to see how I deep condition my hair, you can look at previous videos and whatnot. But yeah, this is how my hair came out. Very easy. Just really washed my hair, threw some products in it, brushed it out, and I'm out the door. So if you guys want to see more tutorials and all that, be sure to turn on my notifications button and also subscribe to my channel. And until then, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.